I've got 5 incredible side hustle ideas that are quite simple that will allow you to earn over $500 every single day. It's pretty cool, I know. Times are changing and a college degree isn't a necessity anymore. And side hustles are the reason we're seeing younger people earn hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars every single year. A simple side hustle for me turned into a full business that was able to generate over $200,000 in 2022. And none of these ideas need a crazy amount of skill to get started. Everything can be learnt and you'll get better and better the more you do it. But that's obvious. Let's begin. The first is photography. Don't panic. You don't need to be a professional photographer. Everyone has to start somewhere. I started when I was a tiny 5-foot 14-year-old. It wasn't easy, but then again, that experience was incredible. There's so much money to be made here. Weddings, portraits, family photo shoots, birthdays. The list goes on, and it's such an easy business to grow because every job you do, you are literally surrounded by tons of potential clients. How amazing is that? In fact, I would argue it's one of the easiest jobs to market yourself in. If you aim to do 2 to 3 jobs a week, you could bring in $2,000 to $3,000 or pounds, depending on your location, per week. And the very best way to get that first job is to literally do it for free. I know that sounds bad, but who wouldn't hire you if you were free? It might feel weird working the whole day for nothing, but it's not for nothing. There are lots of potential clients at that job. The second is Fiverr. This is a platform where you could be hired for over 200 different freelance jobs. We are living in a time where companies put a huge amount of value in freelance work. The need to hire someone when you can just pay a nominal fee and get that job done in a matter of days, well, that holds incredible value. The platform is also really user-friendly, and it's where I started my journey online. I created a whole bunch of gigs on the platform. I offered logo animation, logo design, acting, product review videos, and article writing. And it didn't take a long time to start getting a good amount of money with it. I probably could have been earning 5 figures a month if I would have stuck with it. In reality, it was very time consuming, and my Amazon FBA business at the time was a lot more lucrative, so I focused my attention there instead. After signing up to the platform, post your first couple of jobs. Don't charge much and get some family and friends to order so you can get your first reviews and sales. If a job is showing no traction, then remove it and add another one instead. You want to get to the point where you post a job that hits the Fiverr algorithm well and you start getting ranked for popular keywords. At that point, the traffic will be endless and you'll find yourself inundated with jobs. And this business can easily be scaled if you want to. You could just outsource the jobs you're getting and pocket the difference. The third is dog walking. This one seems random, I know, but the reason I chose this one is because I love the idea of working for many people at the same time. This results in a much higher hourly wage. For example, say you're working for one person and they're giving you $15 an hour to do a job. That's great. But if you could do 5 jobs in the same hour, you've just upped your hourly pay to $75. A no-brainer, really. If you like dogs and you have a good connection with them, being a dog walker for multiple people throughout the day can become quite a lucrative business. That sounded like I was telling you to walk people. No, I'm saying be a dog walker for people. Don't walk people. Getting clients shouldn't be hard. You only need a couple and they'll spread the word with their friends and their friends and their friends, and eventually you'll end up with a lot of clients. After getting enough, who knows, maybe you can employ someone and start a whole business around dog walking and grooming. The fourth idea is tutoring. I like this because you can literally start at any age. You can be 12 years old helping a 5-year-old with their homework because maybe their parents are at work. You could be 30 years old and you're helping a college student, or you could be helping working adults learn a new instrument or a new language. The possibilities with tutoring are endless. I tutored someone in art for over 6 years and it was such an enjoyable experience. I probably could have taken it further and started tutoring many more people, but at that time I was still quite an introvert and I just didn't really want to. Start by writing down all the things you could possibly tutor. Maybe it's English, maths, a language, or an instrument. It could be anything. Then put yourself out there. Similar to the other jobs, you only need a couple of clients to make this work. And that's because word of mouth is one of the most powerful methods of marketing. And if you're fun and you do a good job, you'll find that the parents talk to each other and you'll end up getting a lot more jobs. The fifth idea is going door to door. This is becoming increasingly popular, and that's because there is just so much money in it. Going door to door and offering a service is so simple, and it builds up a lot of character and sales skills and people skills. You could offer pressure washing for driveways, bins or cars. You could mow people's lawns or clean their windows, or all of the above. I don't know why, but the Instagram and TikTok algorithm seem to think I'm super interested in this idea, and every reel I'm shown is someone doing this. Nowadays, streets have WhatsApp groups. I don't mean the physical street, I mean the people on the street. So getting a couple of houses on a street could easily land you 20 to 30 more jobs, or it depends on how big the street is, but it could land you way more than that. You just need one individual to post on their group saying something like, I just had a lovely person come and jet wash my patio and clean my windows. If anyone is interested, you should reach out to them. You could even start on your own street where people know you, and it will probably be a lot easier to get those first jobs. And you may be thinking, well, there's companies that do this, but this is much, much cheaper for people than hiring big companies to do it. And you could easily do 5 to 10 jobs in a day, resulting in $500 plus of income every single day. You just need a simple jet wash and a couple of cleaning products which aren't expensive, and you're good to go. As you can see, there are so many ideas these days to make money. Some require more effort, but at the end of the day, there is no reason why you can't get started with one or many of these ideas. Let me know in the comments which one of these ideas you liked most, and if you've ever done any of them in the past. If you really want to make money and these ideas aren't piquing your interest, you've got to check out this video next, where I tell you from scratch how to start an awesome side hustle where you can make serious money in 2023.